Bitcoin. It is the first cryptocurrency ever created, as well as the most used and best known. Coin. It is a simple term used to indicate a cryptocurrency, often used as a suffix within compound words. Altcoins. An altcoin refers to a cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. Meme coin. An altcoin based on a meme. Stablecoin. It is a digital currency pegged to a stable reserve asset such as the US dollar or gold. Tether. A stablecoin tied to the US dollar. Satoshi Nakamoto, the anonymous creator of Bitcoin. Satoshi. It is the smallest unit of a Bitcoin. All-time high, all-time low. All-time high refers to the highest price a cryptocurrency has ever reached. All-time low refers to the lowest. Bull market, bear market. A bull market means that prices are rising. A bear market means that prices are falling. They are named after each animal's attack style. Buy the dip. It is a strategy based on buying cryptocurrencies during phases of falling prices in order to make profits when they rise. Ethereum. It is the second cryptocurrency after Bitcoin by market capitalization. Market cap. Market capitalization is the total value in currency of all the individual units of a cryptocurrency currently circulating on the market. HODL. The term comes from misspelling the word hold. It refers to the action of not selling your cryptos. dApps. Digital applications that use blockchain technology to keep data decentralized. On-chain. A transaction recorded on a blockchain. Blockchain. The blockchain is a digital register that updates in real time all the transactions that are made in the world of cryptocurrencies. Each transaction is written in a block, and each block is linked to the previous one, forming a chain of blocks. This digital register is accessible to everyone online, and is the same for everyone. When a new transaction occurs, everyone on the network can see it. Its security is at the highest levels, because each block is connected to the previous one. Mining. Mining is the process to generate new coins and verify new transactions. Block reward. For each block created on the blockchain, a reward is generated for the miner. This is because the miner solves a solution and allows this economic system to exist. Cryptocurrency. It is a digital currency that can be exchanged for goods, services, or other currencies. Being detached from sophisticated pricing mechanisms, its value is determined only by supply and demand. Exchange. A website or application that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Wallet. Like a physical wallet, but digitally. Directly on your smartphone allows you to carry out transactions and keep track of payments. Seed phrase. It is a sequence of words randomly generated by an algorithm that allows you to access a crypto wallet and recover information if you forget your password. Ledger. It is a hardware wallet that allows you to store all your cryptocurrencies in a secure way similar to a USB stick. FOMO. It is the fear of missing out on a market movement, generally bullish, and which often leads to poorly thought out operations or late purchases when the movement has already occurred. Whale. A whale is a loose slang term used to describe big players in the cryptocurrency markets. FUD. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt is a strategy that aims to negatively influence people's perception by spreading negative, dubious, or false information, and consequently triggering fear and sales. TIR. Do your own research. It is a sort of mantra in the crypto sector and in general regarding information. Liquidity. Cryptocurrency liquidity refers to how quickly traders can exchange digital assets for fiat currency. Volatility. Volatility refers to the tendency of an asset to change in price. Cryptography. It refers to the science of keeping information safe and secure. It helps protect blockchains and cryptocurrencies through the algorithm by hiding the data until it reaches the recipient. Peer-to-peer. It refers to a transaction between two people that does not require the intervention of an intermediary or central authority. CFI. Centralized finance is a financial ecosystem where centralized authorities control financial assets and the flow of money. DeFi offers decentralized banking and financial services, therefore without intermediaries. Decentralized. It refers to the transfer of control and decision-making from a centralized entity, whether it be an individual or an organization, to a distributed network. Halving. Bitcoin halving is when the reward for Bitcoin mining is cut in half and takes place every 4 years. The halving policy was written into Bitcoin's mining algorithm to counteract inflation by maintaining scarcity.